The village of Obodo was alive with the usual morning activities. Women carried baskets of yams on their heads, and the men prepared to set off for the fields. Among them was Inkem, a young farmer with a curious mind and a strong spirit.
One day I will understand the secrets of our ancestors.
He would often say, much to the amusement of his friends. Inkem ventured into the forbidden forest, a place whispered about in tales of caution. It was said to be home to the Sacred Eke Python, a creature revered and feared by the villagers. As he walked deeper, his heart pounded with both excitement and trepidation.
I must see it for myself.
He murmured, his eyes scanning the shadows. There, in the heart of the clearing, lay the Sacred Eke Python. Its scales shimmered in the dappled light, and its eyes held an ancient wisdom. Inkem stood frozen, captivated by the creature's majesty. Suddenly, the python raised its head, and Inkem felt a chill run down his spine. The elder's voice echoed in his mind, warning of the curse that befell anyone who disturbed the sacred serpent. The elder, a wise and revered figure in the village, had often spoken of the curse.
Those who disrespect the sacred will bring misfortune upon themselves,
He had warned. As if in response to his thoughts, the python hissed, and the ground beneath Inkem's feet began to tremble. He staggered back, fear gripping his heart. Realizing his transgression, Inkem fell to his knees, offering a prayer to the spirits of the forest.
Forgive me, mighty Eek.
He pleaded, his voice trembling with sincerity. In that moment, the python lowered its head as if acknowledging his remorse. The storm clouds parted, and peace returned to the forest. Inkem returned to the village, a changed man. The elder welcomed him with a knowing smile.
You have learned respect for the sacred, my son,
He said, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. From that day, Inkem became a storyteller, sharing the tale of the sacred Eke Python and the lesson of humility and respect it imparted.